Hey guys, it's Anthony from Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today we're on one of our project sites, and we just wanted to take a moment to show you and tell you who Talley Construction is. Talley Construction is a general contracting, construction management, and investment service company. We perform a wide range of real estate and construction services, focusing on residential and large commercial construction projects. The company was established to take on projects in the Philadelphia and suburban area. Together, with attention to detail, we focus in on customer service and a selection of an experienced workforce. Our team will work around the clock to ensure our customers have complete satisfaction. We have developed professional relationships with virtually every component involved in the commercial and residential construction industry. Working with subcontractors, architects, and property owners has helped us develop our knowledge base and increase our resources. These resources are the catalyst to providing the absolute best product and outcome from every member of our construction project team. For an estimate on your project and to join the many satisfied customers, call today at 215-840-2571 or visit us on our website at aetalleycms.com.